In the previous lecture, we have created a servlet class and we have override the doGet and doPost method. In the index.html, inside the form tag, we have used two attributes, action attribute, method attribute. Now, I will remove this method attribute. Now if I run this application, will this work? If so, which is the default HTTP method? Let's look at in action. I will save this, right click on the project, click run as, run on server, click finish. Enter a first name, Bhushan. Enter a last name, Sirgur. Click submit. When we click the submit button, by looking at the URL, we can easily identify which is the HTTP method. The parameters are appended to the URL, so it should be HTTP GET method. Yes, inside the form tag, if we did not specify a method, by default, it will take HTTP GET method. If we want to use a post method, then we have to specify explicitly. It is also possible to call doPost inside the doGet or the vice versa. Let's look at in action. I will remove the code and I will call a doPost and I will pass request and response object. Inside the doPost, I leave the code as it is. Save this. Go to the servers, right click on the servers and click restart. Go to the browser, reload the web page. Enter a first name, Bhushan. Enter a last name, Sirgur. Click submit. Go to the console. We should expect the message, my name is Bhushan Sirgur. One more thing I want to discuss with you. When we click the submit button, the browser creates a URL like this, where the slash represents the root of the application, JSP and servlet demo represents the name of the application, slash processed first servlet represents the logical name of the servlet. It's not the actual name of the servlet class, it is just a logical name. This is the name that we will see in the browser when we make a HTTP request. This is why we have specified slash in the URL pattern. The web container finds the slash process first servlet inside the web.xml. If the web container finds the match, then with the help of servlet name, the specified servlet class will be executed. When the web container reaches the web.xml, it will scan all the URL patterns. If the URL pattern did not start with the slash, then it will throw an exception. So that is why we will specify slash inside the URL pattern.